Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see about the wiring materials and accessories for residential wiring as well as the commercial wiring. So the materials and accessories which are used for the domestic wiring. So the tools, that is the screwdriver, thin blade type and screw blade type. And the screwdriver, there are two types. One is the thin blade and another one is square blade type. So these types of accessories we are used to screw the in order for screw for driving the screw. And there are hammer. So there are two types of hammers are we are needed for the wiring applications doing the wiring, and one is ball pen type hammer and another one is claw hammer. So these kind of hammers which are usually for the house wiring, and as well as the pliers. One is side cutting plier, diagonal cutting plier, long nose plier and slip joint pliers. So these are the various types of plier which are used for the house wirings. And pocket knife, hand driller, chisel, wooden saw, hacksaw, that is oxsaw, blade, and center punch. So these are the materials which are used for the cutting the pipes, etc. Pipes or some other hoods. We are in need of these kind of materials. And pipe vise, pipe cutter, wrenches and scratch level. So these are also which is required for the materials and accessories purposes. And for the wiring accessories, these are the tools, and next one is accessories. We are in need of switches, lamp holder, socket outlet, ceiling roses, plugs, flexible cord, distribution board, fuses, cables, etc. So switches. So there are several types of switches we are used in the commercial as well as residential application. One is a tumbler switch. So this is projected outwards from the wall. So these kind of switches which are used in the olden days. And next one is flush switches. Fixed with the flush on the wash, it will not be projected out. So nowadays we are using in our residential applications. And next one is pull switches, which are used for the heater as well as air conditioner. And rotary switches which are used in the heater to change the rate of heat, insulate handle to which blades are fixed. Blade move into steps, make contact with the terminals, and for in order to change the loads and agriculture purposes to change the phases. So there we can use the rotary switches. And this is push button switches used in the starting motor like star delta starter, auto transformer starters, DOL starter, etc. And ironclad switch. And these kind of ironclad switches which are used in the olden days, we are used in the residential as well as and for the agriculture purposes we are used as a DPST switch. So if you are pulled down, it can be goes to the compressor as well as upwards it may goes to the motor. So nowadays it is not used, but in olden days we are using this kind of switches. And knife switches, two-way switch which are used in the staircase applications. And these are the different types of lamp holder, and one is pendant holder which are used in the outside of residential, outside of house for the temporary purpose, and also which is not fixed in the wall mount. And next one is button holder which is fixed on the ceiling. And screw lamp holder. So if the lamp is heavy weight, so we have to withstand the holder so that the screw lamp holder is there. And next one is the fluorescent lamp holder which are fixed in the two side of the fluorescent lamp. And starter holder, ceiling rose, mounting blocks and socket outlet. So these kind of different lamp holder which are used. And the wiring materials, that is a 3-pin plug, 2-pin plug adapter, and the main switch, or it may be called as miniature circuit breaker, and the power indicator, whether the power supply is there or not, and the electrical fuse board and distribution board to the various houses through the distribution board. And this is an assessment. Which of the following metal is used to make electrical wire, whether it's copper material or silver material or lead or magnesium. So put your answer in the comment section, and these are the few references. Thank you.